Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, dear members of DailyNetPay. John Kielec here, and this is Friday, January 4th. It's the DailyNetPay private trade shares where you see live trading and see everything what's happening. Okay, we're going to get right to the market. This is actually third day of trading. January 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, which is today, and I've been trading on part-time basis. I'm still kind of holidaying. The markets are pretty wild, pretty volatile since this is first week into the new year, so I'm just kind of taking it easy. But so far, what we had 3 trades in the new year 2019 are all profitable. They're not $1,000 trades, but a couple $100 each day. That's not bad. If we do that for an entire month, that's like, $5,000 profit. But anyways, next week, starting Tuesday, I will be trading normal business hours. I'm back to my regular hours, and we're going to be looking for those trades that add up to $1,000 per day or more. So let's go and see what kind of trading has been going on today. In here, you can see Awenda. It's our broker. And you can see the 4 markets. These are the 4 markets practically I've been trading since beginning of this year on part-time basis. Type of set it, forget it, and take the profit, 50% retracement. You can see British pound against the Swiss franc, British pound against Japanese yen, British pound against Australian dollar, and British pound against Swiss franc. Okay, so let's go with the first one in here, and this is the trade for today. And you can see the yellow mark. I'm not going to really go into details. This is what my kind of trading method, what I use. You can see 2, 3, 4 green candles. So that would be for prices going down. This is like London daybreak, but since we have this Bollinger Band, this is the center, and most of the trades are above this, so the trend is up. And in here, we had on the 3rd candle, it's like almost doji, and I said, no way, the market's not going to go down. So I predicted for the market to go up, and this was our set it, forget it target of 50%. What this basically is, it's kind of, I'm not going to go into great details because you will not understand most of it, but I take all these in the yellow and I kind of, whatever market is going to go, then I do like 50% of all of these trades, and that I come up with like a 50% for my entry for direction of the price, if I'm going to go short or long. Long, that means for prices up, short for prices down. So anyways, we got in the market right over here on that 3rd candle, and we rode it all the way up here. So, it did reach our target. We went a little bit above target. We earned $102.86. Furthermore, then, we would have earned a little bit more, but I didn't want to. I was quite happy. This is set it and forget it, so we end up over here. So that was one trade. Okay, the next trade was British pound against Japanese yen. And what happened in here, these are the live markets. It's still trading, but right now it's, the New York exchange is closed. London is exchange. It's the Asian market's going to be kicking in, and it's kind of slow. It's one of the lowest ones. So, don't really worry about it because we only trade London. London is the biggest exchange in the world for not cryptocurrency, but forex market, and New York is second. So, but anyways, in here, same thing. We have that yellow, we have that doji. Okay, in here you can see 4 red inside. That means prices go up, and you can see this is a moving average. The trend is pointing up. It's a Bollinger Band. It's in the center, and top of the Bollinger Band is pointing up. We went for prices up right in here. This was the target, 50% of all this. But anyways, this is set it, forget it type of thing, and we reached that target. We got stopped out with a profit of $92.72. If I would have been at the computer doing some other work, we could have easily made double that because it went all the way up here. But like I say, I'm still kind of holidaying. This is set it, forget it type of thing. 3rd market was the lowest profit for today, and Okay, it's 1,600 hours, which is okay. Anyways, this is British pound against Australian dollar. Same thing in here, where you can see 2, 4, 5. You know, this actually also four greens outperforming the red for market down, and this is the moving average. The trend is down. If you go look it down, up and down, this is higher. This is high. This is another lower higher. You know, so it's the highs, instead of going higher, they went lower and lower and lower. And this is what the blue moving average. This is EMA cross points market that are going down. So we got entered right over here. Once again, we reached our target. And this was a small contract. This was a small contract and whatever. But once again, we reached the target of 50% of this. If I would have sat at the computer, we could have went all the way down there, probably earned triple that. But like I say, and it's still actually, okay, if we held it to here, this could have been even bigger profit. But anyways, that's $33.12. It's okay, you know. And this market, British pound against Swiss franc, well, I missed that, okay, because I was waiting, I was undecided. Once in here, okay, this market was, you can see 4 green, 2 red. That means more greens. Opposite of that's for market up. But since, you know, moving average is reaching up here, or Bollinger Band reaching up here, moving average is up here, so that's trend. It's trending up. So once again, you know, on the third candle way up here, we enter the market for prices go up. We actually didn't, because I wasn't at the computer. But if we did, we would have. This would have been our 50% of this. What do you call profit target? But it would have got hit right over here at 11 o'clock. But like I say, I stepped out and I didn't, you know, just typo said it, forget it. But this market, I was actually just kind of watching to see what happened. You know, so sometimes if I get a gut feeling that I should not trade certain market, I will not. Even May, it's pointing up. So I didn't, but it would have been a profitable trade. So what happened? You know, these are the trades for today. Bitcoin. Oh, wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Man, I just missed our target. Okay. All right. See, and here, right now, okay, this was the entry market, but that's okay. Hopefully we're going to get it, to go prices up, because right now, see, we're 0.689% down. We're trading that market. Bitcoin doesn't sleep 24/7, 365 days a year. But you can see our entry price 38.72. Now it's 38.45, but went up high as 38.79. I could have exited this trade with, you know, $100 profit or something like with Bitcoin. Okay. Okay. So this is what's happening, but it's going back up again. I got to trade. I can put the set it, forget it, profit, but sometimes when I'm at the computer, I like to watch it, how high it's going to go, and it tells me, like right now, we're losing 0.0082 of Bitcoin, which is not much, and we're trading, as you can see, the size is 6,500. This is 65. Where is it? $6,500 US contract. Okay, so that's what we're trading at, and you can see right over here as well. Okay, so I should have cut this, but anyways, I'm gonna finish this update. I'm gonna watch this market because I know it's gonna go. I predict that sometimes by tonight, or you know, before this day is over, this market is gonna go above our entry price, and I want to get out of this market because there's still saying that a good possibility next week sometimes the Bitcoin could reach $4,500 to $5,000. So that's why I went long in here for prices to go up. But you know, we have weekends. On the weekends, the markets could be very volatile and whatever. And you know, this is only my opinion, what I read, what I hear out there. I'm not any kind of Bitcoin or financial forex advisor. It's just my opinion, and you know, I just share that what I hear. What's going to happen, nobody really knows. Okay, you know, this is for us to find out, but that's what's happening. Okay, so anyways, you know, These trades are going to be posted on our video site. The video site for January 2019, it's already up. I did the first recording 2019, first trade, 7 wins. We had very small trades, okay? And you can see we had 7 trades on January 2nd, end up a total $152.20, 0 losses, 0 open trades. These are all the trades that we had, and also Bitcoin, we profited quite a bit over here in Bitcoin, so that was good. But anyways, this is the video. Today's video is going to be going in here, and next week's video is going to go in here. But anyways, I want to tell you about this site because we have team leaders, we have many other traders watching our live trades, watching what I do. Also, you know, there are many videos on YouTube about private trade shares. So we're getting pretty popular out there. And, you know, anybody who wants to join our team of real income earners, it's a total passive and lifetime income with DailyNetPay. All you need is to own at least 1 private trade shares, okay? And if you have that, you will get automated advertising, automated marketing, automated sponsoring, automated paid sign-ups, and while you're building your DailyNetPay private trade share portfolio, you will have a chance to earn even faster income by entering our team build controlled revenue from advertising RFA earning opportunity, where the DNP and our active team build will get 3 paid members, which are needed to get you started to earn income. And when you click on that revenue from advertising, it's going to take you to the main side of revenue from advertising, and basically it tells you these are the ad packs, these are the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. You know, these are the 3 members. All you need, it's like it's a stages, 3 members. They start out with $10 and it keeps going, and all you need is 3 members, so that 3 members get 3 and those 3 get 3, or you can help those 3 to get 3. And when you go through this entire cycle, well, you know, you can earn well over $20,000 in 5 months, 6 months. But I'd say even if it takes you a year, $20,000 per year, just cycling this entire system once with 3 members, many members will be quite happy. And we have team leaders from the past who have earned, you know, anywhere up to I think $37,000 to $4,000 in like 3-4 months. Actually, I got a couple emails today saying, "Oh, John, I'm glad we are reactivating a revenue from advertising, adding back to DailyNetPay as requested by the team leaders," like that email I got today, because it's saying, hey, we want, and you know, some members own up to 11, 12 ad packs in here. Well, these are the commissions, right? So they know this is a member-to-member payment, fast earning system, and we're going to allow that. So, you know, once again, you know, this is part of DailyNetPay. If you go to DailyNetPay, this is where private trade shares, that's all it is about DailyNetPay. We're like advertising and trading company, and then, you know, this is main page. You can see me on there. And basically what you got in here is just an on page. But you go how it works, okay? DailyNetPay only has 2 packages, 2 advertising packages for private trade shares. The DailyNetPay DNP pack number 1, you get 15 days of advertising, and this is new as of 2019. And before, we didn't offer any advertising pack with this business whatsoever for pack number 1. Now you're going to get for 15 days of advertising plus 1 private trade share. And you know, 1 private trade share is $20. You earn 150% return up to 3.5 weekly. Okay, it's only $20 per share. You can buy share in lots. Once you're a member, inside the members area main site, you can see how many shares, lots you can buy. Also, please read and understand the earnings disclaimer. The DailyNet pack number 2, this is the biggie. It's a private PTS, private trade share advertising pack with 90 days of advertising. You get all kinds of banner, login ads, solo type of advertising, and then you get 1 private trade shares earning up to 0.5% daily or 150% return on your advertising pack. And you also, if you are not a member of Revenue from Advertising, you get paid $10 entry into Revenue from Advertising to earn that $20,000 plus yearly. And here, DailyNetPay, along with team leaders, as many we have team build, will work and promote to get you 3 paid members to get you started. And this package is $69.95, but for that kind of money you get quite a bit. And 3 paid members, they can then come in with a week, they can come in with a month. There's no specific date guarantee when you get those 3 members, but you're going to get one fairly fast. 3, well, might take some time, but if you do a little bit of your own advertising, you can speed up the process. If not, we will do it for you. But that's why you start out with $10. You buy that package at pack number 2, includes 1 private trade shares, and you're going to get a $10 entry in here. And if you get 3 members in here, you're done. Those 3 are going to get their 3 and just follow through this entire system. Okay, so it's all explained on both sides of how it works in DailyNetPay. And if you want to know about the revenue from advertising, well, check out our new site where we're going to be adding all the videos for the month of January. We also have past month of December. There's a site for that as well. So this is, once again, for Friday. Okay, how's the market in here? Okay, 38.72. So this is our entry price, 38.45. So it's kind of stuck over here, but I know this was a big spike in here. Look at all the longs, so this is going to happen again. This is the first one. It's going to go maybe twice or 3 times a little bit above, and I want to capture that and exit out of this market. Okay. All right, so let's summarize finally what we have today. 3 wins, totally $228.74. We have the profit of $228.74. Like I say, so far this year, no losing trades whatsoever. They're not biggies, but hey, next week we're going to be looking for those $1,000 a day trade. If we can do 1 or 2 a week, that would be great. We need that actually, so we can increase our payouts, because sometimes the payouts in private trade shares vary up to 5%, 3.5%, but that depends. Like during holidays, markets were not open, so that kind of decreases a bit, but doesn't make a big difference. But anyways, you can see those 3 trades. You can see the BitMEX, XBT, that's Bitcoin. Well, this is actually a lot better now because, as you can see, the Bitcoin is a little bit, we're more in here. It's kind of going down, but like I say, Bitcoin is pretty wild. It goes up and down, but this is our entry. Okay, so that's what you're seeing in here for today. And ladies and gentlemen, well, this is it. You have a great weekend, enjoyable weekend, safe weekend. We'll see you next Monday. Maybe I'll trade Monday or not, because I'm going to be in travels on Monday. I might just kind of set it, forget it, few markets. But as of Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll be going full blast. Like I said, sometimes next week. So once again, have a great, safe, and blessed weekend. Thank you for watching. If you like these videos, put like, click on like. Thank you.